What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to tell you that how can you make advanced F12 but for beginners. Now before watching this video, I want all of you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when my next video gets uploaded. Now before watching this video, I want all of you to please watch the part 1 if you haven't watched, because you would not be able to understand what I am going to do. First we are going to scramble the cube. I have just made the plus. Now I am going to show you some F12 methods. The first is, this is very important. This is from the left side. When the corner is like this and the edge is like this, what you need to do is L prime, U prime, L. This makes a blur. As you guys can see, this is the second method. When from the right side, the earlier which we did was from the left side. When the corner piece is like this and the edge is like this, we need to do R, U, and R. This makes the second and the first layer. Now this is the third case. When the edge is like this and the corner piece is like this, what we need to do is we need to take the edge down so that we could pair the corner. We need to do R prime, U prime, so that the pair gets paired up, and then we can just back insert it. Now this is a similar case but from the right side, and what we need to do is take this down and do the same thing, U2, so that this gets paired, and then we can just insert it. As you guys can see, this is the fifth case. When this is a similar case of the right side which we did, but the edge is right over here and not over here. So what we need to do is to take this edge over here without disturbing this. So what we need to do is take this down so that this corner piece doesn't get disturbed, and then we can just do U2, and this forms the case. You can just insert it. As you guys can see, this is a similar of the left side which we did. The corner piece is right over here and the edge is right over here. So what we need to do is to take this over here without disturbing this. So what we can do is R prime, U, R. This makes the case, and then we can just back insert it. Now this is another case. This is the opposite of that. In that we just did that, but in this the color is same. So what we need to do, we can just take this down, and when we can just do U2. This makes a pair, and when we can just insert it. As you guys can see, this is another same method of the right side, but this is right over here and not over here. So what we can do is we can do the same method. Take this down, U prime. This makes a case. We can just insert it. Now this is another case. The corner piece is right over here and the edge is right over here. So what we can do is do this. This forms the case, and then we can just back insert it. As you guys can see, this is a similar but from of the left side. They both have the same color in the top. So what we can do, instead of doing like this is not going to work. So what we can do is we can do F, then U prime, U, so that then when we do R prime, this forms a pair, and then we can just insert it. In this case, as you can see, the corner piece is down, but it is in a wrong position, and the edge piece is like this. When these two colors don't match, so when these both colors do not match, then we have to do this, R, U, R prime. This forms a pair, and then we can just insert it. As you guys can see, this is also the similar. Both are same, they match. They are not like the other case where they do not match. So what we need to do is take it over here and do a formula which is known as sledgehammer. Now sledgehammer is very important formula because it is used in OLL and PLL, even in F12, etc. So what we need to do is R prime, F, R, then we can just do F. This makes up, and then we can just insert it. Now guys, I'm going to show you an example solve of an F12. The first thing we found is these two pairs, so we can just do it like this. Just insert it. The second pair is these two. You can just take this down and do this. This forms up, and then we can just insert it over here. This formed this pair. We can just insert it like this, and then we have this. This is the same, but from the left side, we did from the right side. So what we can do is this one there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share my videos to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. And there are even more cases. There are a total of 77 cases. If you want me to discuss all of them, then please like this video. The like goal is 10 likes. If this video hits 10 likes, then I'm going to make that video. Bye guys, and I will check you in the next one.